These are the most relevant events that happened in today's date, December 29th, throughout history. Number 1. British forces and their Native American allies burned the town of Buffalo, New York in today's date of the year 1813. The attack was part of a campaign against American forces in the Great Lakes region, which had been ongoing for several years. Number 2. Texas is admitted as the 28th state of the Union. Texas had been an independent republic since it declared its independence from Mexico in 1836. But it ultimately decided to join the Union as a state, and was admitted as the 28th state of the United States on December 29, 1845. Number 3. Gas lights are installed at the White House. The White House was one of the first buildings in the United States to have gas lighting installed. Gas lighting was a significant technological advancement at the time, as it provided a more reliable and brighter source of light than oil lamps or candles. Number 4. First YMCA chapter in the United States is established. The Young Men's Christian Association, also known as YMCA, was founded on June 6, 1844 in London, England by George Williams and a group of his friends. The first YMCA chapter in the United States was established in Boston, Massachusetts on December 29, 1851. The organization quickly spread throughout the United States, and today has a presence in more than 120 countries around the world. Number 5. Emma Snodgrass arrested in Boston, Massachusetts for wearing pants in today's date of the year 1852. At the time, it was considered inappropriate for women to wear pants in public, as it was seen as a violation of traditional gender roles. Snodgrass was arrested and charged with masquerading as a man. Number 6. Patent granted for a four-wheel automobile brake. On December 29, 1908, a patent was granted to O.J. Abbott and L.H. Abbott of Clintonville, Wisconsin for a four-wheel automobile brake. The patent describes a braking system that could be used on an automobile with four wheels. The system included a brake drum, brake shoes, and a mechanism for applying the brakes. There you go, now you are up to date on the most relevant events that happened throughout history in today's date, December 29th. Have a great day.